Hi everybody. Today we're going to drive up north to Newcastle County in Delaware to White Clay Creek, and we're going to show you around. Maybe we'll see some fly fishing guys, and we'll show you some trails and things of that nature. So let's head on up. And they do a lot of fly fishing here. There's a lot of trails to walk on, and a lot of great for bird watching. And we're going to take a look around. And we're going to walk out on the road. There's a bridge up here, and we'll show you the stream. There's a few guys fly fishing. This is all a fly fishing area only. But the problem is the stream is very low because there's just no water right now. So let's take a walk over and we'll show it to you.
So we're in the part of the state where it's hilly, obviously, and you'll be able to take some hikes that go around White Clay Creek. It's definitely a beautiful, beautiful place to be. This is the Nature Center at White Clay Creek Park, and unfortunately we're here when it's not open. But you can see it's a beautiful place to come. Looks like they do outdoor educational things, perhaps for school children and visitors. And again, just very, very, very peaceful, very beautiful park. It's really worth a visit to come here to White Clay Creek.